Okay, hello once again. It's Mike right here, and in this video, I'll just be guiding you on how to create your Instagram ad or how to promote an Instagram ad or an Instagram post from your Facebook page. Okay, now this is not the first option if you want to create your ad with your phone on Instagram, or if you want to promote an Instagram post. Okay, this is not the first option. The first option is that you do it from Instagram. Okay, you resort to this option if probably you don't have access to your Instagram, or probably your ad account was disabled and you probably have another ad account. Okay, because on your if you're creating from Facebook with the phone, you can switch ad accounts. Okay, or probably you don't have another ad account and you have an admin with an active ad account, so you can log in as that admin or that editor or moderator and go ahead and create and promote this Instagram post. Now to start, you need to go to the Facebook page. Okay, so I'm just going to use my page that is connected to my Instagram page. Okay, so the Facebook page that is connected to my Instagram page is Michael Solutions, and I'm going to click on it. Okay, and it's going to take me to the page. So my user interface might be different from yours, but it's the same thing. Now I always tell people Facebook is not static. What works on my own account might not be working on your own account. On your own account you might see promotion, but just look for ads or promotion and click on it. Okay, a drop down list of the kind of adverts that you can create on Facebook will pop up, especially from the phone. Okay, you can see get more website visitors, get more calls, promote your page, get more leads, get more messages. But I'm going to click on boost a post. Okay, now boost a post, you can use your posts, events, or jobs from Facebook or Instagram. Now our concern right here is to use a post on Instagram. Okay, now these are the Facebook posts that are reflecting on this page, but I'm going to click on Instagram. Okay, now click on Instagram. It's going to give me a drop down of all my posts. Okay, now this is my most recent post on Instagram. So assuming I want to promote this Instagram post, okay, but I want to do it from Facebook, I'm just going to click on the particular post. Okay, you're going to see boost Instagram post. I've clicked on it and I'll go forward and set it up. Okay, now okay, this is the ad preview, the way it's going to look on Facebook, but that is not our concern right now. Our concern is how it's going to look on Instagram. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down. You can edit your audience here. You click on edit and edit the country, edit the age. Okay, you can also people you choose to targeting, you can clicked on it, edit people you choose to targeting, you edit it and edit the age and edit the location and also the interest. Okay, people like your page, but if you don't have a lot of people that like this page, then there's no need to target people who like your page. Okay, people who like your page and their friends. Okay, now these are already save audiences on this particular ad account. Okay, so you should go forward and you go come right here and you set your budget. Now I want you to know that your budget shouldn't be less than the equivalent of $1 in naira per day, or less it won't go through. Now let me show you something. Now this is 5 days. Okay, now if I reduce this month to, okay, you see it won't go through because it's 409.84 per day. So anything, and this is equivalent of to $1. So anything below this it won't go through, but let me increase it. You see, okay, you see now it's okay. Okay, so that's one thing you should know about your budget. Okay, and I run this ad on Instagram. Now you click here and we're going to see Instagram review. For the sake of time, I'm not going to click on it. Okay, but when you're doing yours, click it, you're going to see the preview because it takes time to load. I will send you a screenshot of what you look like after this video. Then you can see this is the name of the ad account, Michael. And I have another ad account. This is a postpaid ad account, an automatic ad account whereby my card details is already there. I have another ad account which is now, all I just need to click on this pencil sign and I'll switch ad account. Now this is one of the advantages of boosting your Instagram posts from Facebook. Okay, because you can switch ad account, and I'll click on boost post now. So this is how you do it. Okay, this is an alternative. Okay, but it's not the first choice when it comes to promoting a post, an Instagram post. This is not the first choice. This is something you just do when you don't have access to your Instagram app. Okay, it's something you do when you don't have access to your Instagram app. Okay, so that's it. So I believe this video will guide you to promote an Instagram post from your Facebook page, just in case you don't have access to your Instagram app or any other stuff like that. Now this also will reflect on Instagram. Okay, as you can see right here, it's also going to reflect on Instagram, and people on Instagram are also going to see it. Now if you create this thing from a computer, from the ads manager on a computer, you can just tick only Instagram as your placement. That means it will be showing just on Instagram, and it will not even reflect on Facebook at all. It will just be showing only on Instagram. Okay, so but this is a phone, it will be showing both on Facebook and both on Instagram. So I say this is not the first option, but just in case you don't have access to your Instagram app, probably your ad, most especially if your ad account is disabled, or you have another ad account you want to use, because most times on Instagram by default it's only one ad account that reflects, unlike Facebook whereby you can click on this pencil sign beside the name of your ad account, this pencil sign right here, and always switch ad account to use to run for your ads. Okay, so I believe this will help you when it comes to trying out this alternative. But the number one alternative when you want to create and promote an Instagram post with your phone is through the Instagram app on your phone, which I've shared videos on how to go about it.